Guys, so this is Dilip. So today we are going to see a tutorial about Staadpro, that is on building with swimming pool. So today we are going to take a building of more than G+15, right? So the process will act upon the G+15 building and how it will act due to the water pressures in the swimming pool. Okay. So now we will open our Staadpro software for doing our project. So now we have to go to new project, click on space, give some name as, so whatever you like you can give your name, right? So I'm giving as G+15 swim. So click on add beam, click on finish. So okay, so we can draw over here, or else we can go to our geometry, go to run structure wizard, and here we can define our model, right? So go to frame models, click on bay frame. So what will be my length and width of the building? So I'm going to take the length as 8 meters by 12. So height we're going to take as 15. So we're going to take as G+15, right? So each floor will be of how much? 3 meters. So we have to calculate it, right? So it will be 45, right? 15 3s are 40. Gonna apply. So we'll be getting this type of building, right? So this is nothing but, so we have to take this as 3 meters and number of base along height is 15. Now click on apply. So we click here, so we have got our building, right? Now we have to transfer our model, click on S and OK. So now we have to close our grid or snap node beam command, right? So now what we have to do means we have to add a swimming pool over on the top surface, right? So for that I am going to my cut section, select the view, OK. So I am going to cut this part, go to 3D. So now here we are having our mesh. So I'm going to add a simple over here, right? So I'm going to my node cursor, select these nodes, click on copy and paste about y-axis of how much we want to take as 2 meters, click on OK. Or else if we take the transition it will be easy, right? So I'm going to take as 2 meters, click on link steps, click on OK. So here we have linked our steps, right? So we need to delete this one, right? We don't need in between. So now we will add our beams over here, right? So we will add the beams. So be careful while connecting your these ones, right? So now we need to add the nodal plates, right? So I'm going to add the nodal plates over here for these members. And for this also, right? So now take the cursor, select over here, go to transition. So I'm taking spacing of 3 meters. Number of steps is 14. Along y direction, minus 14. Click on. Select this one, translation, number of is 14, and the distance is minus 3, y direction, on OK. So now if we select, so all our plates will be selected, right? So we have to save our models. So now go to front view. Now we will go to general, or else we will go to geometry, again go to this, and again we need to cut our section. Select a view, OK. Again I want to cut this. Now go to geometry, click on parametric, click on add. So this is defined as slab, on OK. Zoom over structure, select this over here. So click on OK. Now click on merge mesh. So now we need to select this one. So we have to do the translation again, like 14 minus 3. Now y direction. So all the surfaces will be calculated, right? So now again go to general. So go to geometry, on parametric. So go to general, right? So now go to front view. Now we will add the supports. Go to support, create, add the fixed one, select this support and drag over here, right? So after that we will add the plate thickness, assign to view, assign ends. So after assigning all the materials, we will see our building, right? So how it's going to look like, okay? So here we can see our building with our assigned properties. So right, we can see this our building with our design properties. So if we go nearer to this, so we can see our column size and beam sizes. So I have given small size because we have a small gap between the columns, right? So there is no much need of heavy sections over here, right? So again go to modeling, general. You can also change the properties, right? If you double click on it, so we can change this property over here. If we click on change on the side, so it will be changed. So if you go to see here, you can see what the property has changed over here, right? So or you have to go to our 3D, right? I'm going to delete this plate because we need a opening for this, right? For our swimming pool we need an opening. So I deleted the plate. So now go to materials and concrete, save this product, assign to view, assign and S. So right, we have assigned. So now it's time for checking our loading conditions. Okay, for that go to loads and definitions. So here we're going to add the wind loads over for this. Select the wind, on add, close, select the wind type 1, add, calculate as for this. So building height is 45 in the meters. Not in the meters. So you're going to take this and add factors 1, click on add and close. So now select this one, assign to view, assign and yes. So it has assigned to all our node points, right? Now go to load cases, on add, go take this, did loads, and live loads. We're going to take wind loads, WX and WZ, right? So select the date load, click on add and add the self weight. So now we have to calculate our member loads. For that, open our calculators. So we have taken a section of how much? 0.45 into 0.45 into 25. How much? 5.0625 minus 5.0625. Click on add. In the top view, we can select over here, right? So unselect these ones. So now we have selected all our plates, right? So click on here, or we can select assign to view, assign and S. So it will automatically get assigned, right? So in the next part we will be seeing the other loading conditions. Okay, thank you.